In order to develop your reading skills, we recommend becoming familiar with some important reading strategies. The reading strategy we are analysing in Module 4 is called scanning. We use this strategy to find specific information in a text, not for general ideas. How do we do it? To scan a text for specific information like dates, numbers or names, you move your eyes or finger quickly over the page. When you locate an important word or phrase, you slow down and read the section more carefully. Let's practice. You have 30 seconds to scan the text and find the specific information to answer this question. What did Gabriela do on the second day at 11 in the morning? Read the text and answer this question. What did Gabriela do on the second day at 11 in the morning? Let's scan the text to find specific words or phrases to know what Gabriela did on the second day at 11 in the morning. The second day. Had a meeting with a famous Australian publicist. 11 a.m. These phrases tell you what Gabriela did at 11 in the morning in the second day at the conference. She had a meeting with a famous Australian publicist. Now, let's practice with a different question. Use the key words and phrases to answer the question. Why was the hotel disappointing? A. Gabriela didn't talk to many people and famous publicists. B. The room was uncomfortable and the hotel didn't offer a vegetarian option. C. The HR conference wasn't international and the hotel wasn't close to the city. That's right. The correct answer is B. The room was uncomfortable and the hotel didn't offer a vegetarian option. Now you know how to scan. Let's try another. Read the question. What did Gabriela do after lunch? A. She scheduled a meeting with a hotel manager. B. She emailed the conference speaker. C. She phoned the finance department. Read the text and identify specific information. Have you identified it? Let's look together. So using these specific words and phrases, what is the correct answer to the question? That's right. It is C. She phoned the finance department. Read the question below. You have 30 seconds to scan the text. Select the true sentence. A. Paolo now works in Chile as an office assistant. B. Paolo worked in a legal aid agency. C. His job in Brazil was relaxing. Can you answer the question? The answer is A. Paolo now works in Chile as an office assistant.